Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can simply withdraw USDT ERC20 from Trust Wallet. It's an easy process. All you're going to need to do is make sure you have Ethereum, which is the native token of the ERC20 network, and make sure the receiving network is also on the ERC20, or the USDT that you're receiving is on the ERC20 as well. So basically what I mean is, if you're going to be sending USDT on the ERC20 network, you must have Ethereum to cover the gas fees. If you're going to be sending USDT on the Polygon network, you must have this Matic to cover the gas fees. If you're sending on Tron, you must have TRX to cover the gas fees. So now, in order to send, all you need to do is simply use the toggle at the top right corner of the screen and click on this and simply search for USDT. Now, USDT ERC20 is at the top of the list, which is here. If yours is disabled, all you need to do is simply enable it. Click on the USDT, make sure it says ERC20 at the top left. Click on the send option, enter the address and enter the amount. Now, for the receiving wallets, all you need to do is open up the receiving wallet, which in my case is the Exodus. I'm going to be working with the Exodus wallet. And where we have the receive option, which is just here, where we have the icon at the top, at the bottom left, select receive and simply search for USDT. Now, by searching for USDT, we are met with USDT ETH, which is also ERC20. Click on this USDT, click on I understand that this address is on the Ethereum network. Click on continue, copy this address, minimize and open up your Trust Wallet once more, paste the address there, and enter the amount of USDT you wish to send. So let's say $10 or $100. Click on continue and proceed to pay the gas fees using your available Ethereum. Please make sure you have Ethereum on your wallet, else it's not going to work. And if you do not possess Ethereum, all you need to do is search for ETH again. Select the Ethereum there, click on the buy option, enter the amount you wish to purchase, and by using Ramp, which is a third-party provider, you can purchase this using your bank card or bank transfer. So guys, do comment down below if you've got any questions and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.